Alright, good morning. Welcome to NTI day number 1. I'm going to go over your daily learning target and lesson agenda, and I'll try to post this video every day, even on days when we're going to be continuing the previous day's lesson. So look for these to show up in your Google Class stream every day. So the first thing is, I know this says 8th grade engineering, but this is true whether you're in 6th, 7th, or 8th. They're all similar lessons. So today, learning target, I can describe and explain engineering, how it connects to math, science, and technology. So today, the assignment specifically is review of engineering. So if you look here at task today, it says complete the NTI day 1 review of engineering assignment. Carefully read the descriptions. We're going to go over something that'll help you with that here in just a moment. Down here, so this example video, when it says review the attached example video, that's a different video. That's what I'm doing right now, and you'll find that on your classwork page. This video here, Lola's problem, here in a few days I'm going to ask you to think about a problem that you could solve at home, and specifically the problem that I'm going to solve as an example is in the video Lola's problem. You can check that out and see where I'm headed with that. Okay. So let's go to classwork. Also, before I go to classwork, right down here you see below that post, please email or comment with any questions. Comments are turned on, so if you have a comment or a question for me, you can email those or you can write that comment down here, and I'll be checking that throughout the day. If we go to classwork, what you'll see is, well, what you should see is your assignment, and it's going to look like this: NTI Day 1, Intro to Engineering. I'll double check to make sure that's up for everybody's page. Introduction, what engineers do. Describe these terms, and then fill out this box. Now, I'm going to go away from this page because we're going to talk about a resource to help you with that. Okay, so this resource will also be attached to your assignment, and it's a review of engineering and what engineers do. So first off is the acronym STEM: Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics. So thinking about that, let's start with mathematicians. And I know that mathematicians word's kind of cut into two pieces there, but that's using numbers and symbols to solve problems. Scientists build on the work of mathematicians as they investigate the natural world. They see what's going on. They quantify it with numbers, they analyze it, and they start to draw some inferences and make some observations. So technologists, this is one you might not have thought much about, but technology takes that science and uses it to make things that we can use. What are those things? Well, those are designs. Now, engineers kind of fit in the middle of that process, and where engineers fit in that process is they fit in as the designers of the technology. So technology kind of fits in between science and engineering. Engineering designs and creates that. Technologists then use and develop that. So let's take this to an example. Let's look at the example of a pencil. Now, with a pencil, what does science do? Science is going to be involved in the discovery of the materials. Some of the materials in a pencil include graphite and rubber. Now, graphite can be mined from the ground, but in its original form, it doesn't make a great pencil. Graphite in a pencil is actually combined with clay and baked or fired in a kiln, similar to a pot or something else that you might make out of clay in pottery. So it's been baked. The rubber in the eraser is not the original eraser. Pencil erasers were originally breadcrumbs, kind of compressed and used to rub out the marks. And then rubber became evident as a useful method. All right, now, technologist. What is a technologist? A technologist is going to be involved in, developing that pencil as they look for a way to create a writing device that doesn't use ink. They go back to the discoveries of science and recognize that graphite doesn't require ink, and it's erasable. Ink is not erasable. So engineering, knowing that technology, there's a need there within the realm of technology, works on the design of combining the graphite, the exterior holder for the rubber, and to attach the eraser. How's math involved? Well, math gets involved with how long of a pencil is comfortable to hold, what is a comfortable diameter and shape, and then using that math to help with the design. Alright, so that is some of the science, technology, engineering, and math involved in the creation of a pencil. Use that example as you complete your assignment for today. Introduction to Engineering, what engineers do, a review of engineering. These first 4 things, describe them in your own words, and then down here, provide your own example. Something different than a pencil. Think about how science is involved. How is technology involved? How is engineering involved? And how is math involved? Once you have that completed, submit and upload your work to this assignment.